We lost about 200,000 books, and the bookcases were so soaked in the smoke that they really weren't salvageable. So we lost about 225 bookcases. My name is Russell Wattenberg. I started the book thing in '98. It's really hard for people to quite understand the concept the first time. People donate books to us and we give them away. Pretty much we put unwanted books in the hands of those who need them. Fire happened March 2nd, 2016. A neighbor from here ran over our house, banged on the door till we woke up at 5 in the morning to say the building was on fire. The building was pretty much fully engaged. Firemen were in there. Between the water damage, the smoke damage, the fire damage, the heat damage, it was just a mess. 5 minutes before the fire was finally put out, I had decided that I was going to reopen. I wasn't thinking straight enough to really think of the pros and cons. I just didn't want to let the fire beat me. But the community support's just been incredible. The day of the fire, Falcon Hands Hardware sent me down boxes of anything they could think we need. The Able Improvement Association did a huge fundraiser early on. Peabody Heights Brewery has given us space, so we have bookcases set up there. The new space, all of the things that when I bought the building in 2005 that I meant to do, now I'm actually getting a chance to do them. And it's just overall a more welcoming building. I'm looking forward to getting reopened, and what I'm doing now seems almost so abstract. It's like I don't want to decide on paint colors. I don't want to decide on types of doorknobs. All I want to do is give away books. And I haven't been doing a whole lot of that in the last 18 months. It's very egalitarian. You'll have somebody from one of the homeless shelters who stands online, and the guy right behind him in line that he's been talking to, who's wearing worse clothes than he is, will be a lawyer. Both discussing why is there so few books written on the Korean War. The thought of that is what keeps me going. It's like nothing matters except for the book.